Hello. So today I'm here to speak about a little more in depth about space and understanding violation of space in respect to experiencing anger. So if we have some clarity with regarding to our space and what can be violated, what is acceptable, what is not acceptable, then this will also help us to manage our anger efficiently. So let us first try to understand with regarding violation of space. Now when we talk about our space, we are okay with some part of trespassment, some part of intrusion by certain people in our lives. For example, it could be our primary family members, it could be our secondary relationships to a certain extent, and there are certain spaces which we are okay to intrusion with regarding our friends. Now this aspect as to which part of the intrusion is okay and not okay is something that each and every individual has to decide. Now once that we have some clarity about it, then we would be able to take a call as to which kind of intrusion deserves us to express our anger. Now once we have this kind of a clarity, the next step that we need to move on to is to be able to understand what is the kind of expression of anger that we need to use in our different relationships. At all times, explosion of anger badly harms interpersonal relationships. Suppression of anger harms our own health. So what is best and what is always recommended is healthy expression of anger. So when we do have certain aspects of anger that we have suppressed and we do have some bottles, we do have some baggages, it is important that we learn to release them in a very healthy manner through different techniques that can be learned. And after that, we need to also become more mindful as to not bottling further emotions and expressing them in a healthy manner. So when I express them in a healthy manner, will I always be accepted? Will I always be appreciated and understood? Now, the answer to this is, if you are asking, will I always be understood? The answer to it is no. You may or may not be understood. But the bottom line of this is not about you saving relationships, not about you pleasing other people in your society or in your family, but what is important is you are learning to handle your emotions, especially your anger, in a healthy manner. And this is a very important aspect for your own self-growth, for your own good health. So this is something which we need to learn, which we need to reflect upon, and we need to practice. Thank you.